the Cake Lady, and today I want to share with you my favorite salad that I've started making recently. It is a kale and quinoa salad. I know what you're thinking. Kale, ugh, it's been done. And I know it's a little, it's kind of popular right now, trendy, and I know you either love kale or you hate it, but I think after you try this recipe, I think you're gonna love it. This recipe is very filling. It keeps for several days, so you can make it ahead of time, and it's just really, really good. So here are the ingredients for the salad. It has, of course, kale, and I like to get this bag of kale. Nature's Greens, I get it at Walmart. It comes in smaller pieces, but I still like to cut it up, and you also have to destem it. It calls for garbanzo beans or chickpeas. It calls for quinoa, and I like to get the tri-color quinoa. It just makes it look really pretty. And carrots. So I have a couple of carrots here. I'm going to shred it. It says to have them julienne cut. You can buy carrots that are cut already in julienne strips, but I just shred them and it works out great. Alright, for the dressing, it has a lot of ingredients, but it makes it taste really good. You have olive oil and red wine vinegar, zest off of a lemon, and I like to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in it. Dijon mustard. Calls for maple syrup, but I like to use just regular pancake syrup. I don't notice a difference. It's pretty good. And then a clove of garlic, but I like a little extra garlic, so I usually put a couple of cloves in. And there's just a couple of things you want to do. You can always make your dressing ahead of time. That'll save you some time. And the quinoa, I've already cooked it, and you have to let it cool. So that's something that you can do ahead of time also. A friend of mine gave me this recipe. It's from, let me find the name of the cookbook. It's from the Oh She Glows Everyday Cookbook. It's called Protein Rainbow Quinoa Salad. I know, long name, but hang with me here. This is a really good recipe. It's on page 99 of that cookbook. And my friend says she has a really great daily blog called Oh She Glows. So I'll put the website down in the link in the comment section below so you can check that out. I personally haven't tried any of her other recipes, but my friend said that they come highly recommended. She said everything in that cookbook is great. All right, so here I'm going to assemble everything. Like I said, it comes together pretty quickly, and it lasts for several days. It's something you can make ahead. You can even put the dressing on, and then you can store it for about 3 to 5 days. You garnish it with sunflower seeds. The recipe also calls for a garnishment of hemp hearts, but I don't usually put those in. I just usually put the sunflower seeds in, and it's great. So I'm excited to share it with you. So here we go. So as you can see, it's not a hard process. There are a few steps, and a lot of ingredients, but really it's not a hard process, and it's a great salad. So what I like to do from here is stick this in the fridge and kind of let it cool. My quinoa was still a little warm, so I like to let it cool and let the flavors kind of meld together. I kind of like it the next day better than when I eat it right after I make it. So like I said, this can be made really easily ahead of time. One thing I forgot to add in is it calls for parsley. I'm out of parsley, but I've used fresh parsley and I've used dry parsley. Both work. Also, I said it called for sunflower seeds, and actually it calls for pumpkin seeds, but one day I couldn't find the pumpkin seeds, so I used sunflower instead, and I liked it just as much, if not a little better. So you can kind of substitute things that you like or you don't like. Sometimes I'm out of lemon, so I don't have the lemon zest in there, but I can still make it anyway. So it really, You can make it your own. Go from this recipe and then kind of make it your own salad. It's great. You can double it up and it goes a long way. It feeds a lot of people. I'd say depending on the serving size, 1 cup, you're probably going to get about 6 or so servings out of this salad. It's been a great hit for family dinners. At Thanksgiving, I made this salad and everybody really loved it. So highly recommend it. Check it out. Comment below. Let me know what you think. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to subscribe. I like to bake a lot. I also like to show cooking and recipe ideas, along with little things I do around my house. We just did a big renovation downstairs in our room, and so those are the kind of things I like to share. So please, if you haven't yet, subscribe and give me a like for this video if you like what you see here. And from my kitchen to yours, I hope you have a wonderful day.